This tutorial will cover the process of configuring donations within Nonprofit Easy. These configured donations are referred to as donation buckets, so as to help differentiate them from individual donations made by contacts to your organization. To create a donation bucket, hover over Donation Management and click on Configure. The Donation Management screen will appear. To create a new donation bucket, click the Add button located on the right-hand side of the screen, and the Add Edit Donation screen will appear. Nonprofit Easy provides several kinds of donations you can create, known as donation types. The gift donation type is used for monetary donations and will likely be used for the majority of donations to your organization. The in-kind donation type is used for goods and services as opposed to direct monetary donations. The in-kind auction donation type is used for goods and services that have been donated for use in an auction, as well as recording the purchase of these auction items. Select one of the donation types from the Donation Type drop-down menu. Depending on your selection, a slightly different screen will appear. Enter a name for this donation that will be descriptive enough so that it will be clear to what this donation bucket refers. Select a program or campaign from the respective fields if you want this donation associated with that program or campaign. Depending on how you configured the program, the restricted to this program only field may or may not be active. If it is active, you can select Yes to restrict donations entered under this donation bucket to the selected program. Select No to leave them unrestricted. If you want to restrict all donations entered under this donation bucket to one event, select the event name from the event name field. For gift donation types, under Set Contribution Amount, you may specify one or more contribution levels at which donors may donate. The description field is optional, but should be filled in to help distinguish one contribution level from another if multiple levels are configured. The amount field is used to specify either the minimum or exact amount this donation will be for, depending on whether you select minimum or exact on the right-hand side. The tax deductible value field allows you to specify how much of the total donation the donor may apply as a tax deduction. In-kind and in-kind auction donations will not include a contribution details section, but you may provide information about the in-kind donation in the description field. The Display on Public Site field only applies for gift donation type, and if your donation web pages are integrated with Nonprofit Easy. The Make Active checkbox indicates that the donation is currently active within Nonprofit Easy. Click Save and Add New to add additional donation buckets, or click Save and Close to return to the Donation Management screen. Once you have returned to the Configuration Management screen, hover over the name of any donation bucket you have configured. On the left, you will notice two icons have appeared: Edit and Delete. To edit the donation bucket, click on the Edit button, which will once again bring up the Add Edit Donation screen. To delete the donation bucket that has not been used, click on Delete. You can set the donation bucket to active or inactive by clicking on the button associated to the donation bucket in the status column on the right. This concludes the tutorial on configuring donation buckets in Nonprofit Easy.